What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to remove the top and store it on a 2022 Chevy Corvette. Like I said, this is a 22 Corvette here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in order to remove the top, the first thing we need to do is undo 3 latches that are located inside the vehicle. So if you put the visor down, you can see this latch right here. Need to pull it and swing it out like that. Come over to this side and do the same thing. Make sure it's all the way open. And then the third latch is located right here. And we just want to come and press that button right there like that. Once we have those 3 latches undone, the top's ready to come off. You might want to have someone help you do this. I'm going to show you how to just do it by yourself, but if you have somebody on their side, you guys can just pick it up and come over, but I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. What I like to do is lift the front up first, get it started, and then you can kind of get your hand about in the middle, and just tip it back towards you. Now there's a few things I want to point out here. I want you to take note of this item right here, and there's another one up here. And then we're going to take a look at where they fit inside the trunk. So those items that I just pointed out are going to go in there, and then there's another one on the other side. So that's kind of what you're going to line up. And we'll start at the bottom, and I'm calling the bottom the part with those 2 kind of pieces that I just pointed out. We're going to start those in, that side in first. Do your best, and they're kind of made to contour to where they will slide in. Then once you have everything lined up, you're just going to push down pretty firmly on both edges, like that. And you'll feel and obviously hear it snap in. And then to get this back off, you don't need to press anything, it'll just pull off like that. And then you reverse everything we just did to put it on. So it's pretty simple, it's a pretty good system. The weirdest part probably is the first time realizing how much pressure it really takes to clip it down. You have to push fairly hard. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.